guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to replace the battery in my iPhone 7. I use this to take the thumbnails for my YouTube videos because whatever. And the battery has expanded. I used this with the expanded battery for a while. Why is it not focusing? You can see that right there compared to the other side. So the battery is on this side, and I don't want to damage the LCD screen I got. So, like a while back. So let's just get straight into it. Open it up. Now that that's done, you can get your metal pry tool. Open it up. This iPhone has a board issue where it can't do cellular functions. So, at least it has a use. There we go. You can see it's pretty expanded looking compared to the flat, regular battery. So, anyways, just get straight into it by getting our Torx. I meant tri-wing, right? Yeah, tri-wing screwdriver. Unscrewing the screws. I haven't worked on iPhones in a while, so I've been working on laptops just such as Dell, HP, Toshiba, and all that other stuff. So, yeah. Can remove the bracket. It's holding in the battery. Get a Phillips screwdriver bit, or Phillips screwdriver. Get the bracket from that too. Can disconnect the connector for the display. There we go. That's our display connector. Now, time to get to that battery. So this battery isn't held in. You can see that it is expanded compared to the spare one we're putting in. I'm not going to put a new battery in this because it's not worth it, given, right here. From here, it might look like you need some screws, but a long time ago, I was unscrewing it to take the motherboard out. But the standoff just came off with it, which was very strange. So, yeah, you can see. It doesn't look like it, but it really is compared to this one. Yeah. So, yeah, so you can... I think this battery's dead. I got it from a 4-parts iPhone 7, so it's not going to be the best. But anyways, can connect our display, earpiece, camera thing. There we go. There we go. You can just screw it in. There we go. Yep. Tri-wing. connect that display. And I'm not going to put a water seal on because, you know, it has board issues. Not worth it. So I can just put that bracket on. I can just align it. Going to get this screw online. Alright, finally. Can screw in the other one. There you go. Let's see if this battery even has any charge in it. Doesn't look to have any. Yep. It's charging. So that's good. Can just get that in there. There we go. I can screw in the pentalobe screws on the bottom. And the repair is complete. Screw in the bottom screws. And I know my charger's destroyed. I don't care. So there we go. That looks good. Can finally throw out this expanding one. I think this battery is original to this iPhone. This one, expanded one. So I think that's about it. Just plugging in another iPhone I have. So I think that's about it for this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And check out my tour.ufelix5. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.